welcome back. I'm here with Howlvin.
Hey.
And we just came back from Walmart, and guess what we found?
Wait. God. Wait, that? Oh my God! So we got LOL Surprise, Confetti Pop, and the Pearl Surprise. Oh my gosh! So Denisa has never opened any LOL Surprise before, so this is gonna be like her first Confetti Pop.
Oh my God! I'm so excited. They're so cute.
Aren't they? Okay, so here we have like Snuggle Babe and Dawn and some of the other girls. And first we're gonna open the Pearl Surprise and get them fizzing. So let's just get that off. Yoink. Oh my God. And then we'll open the Confetti Pops, and we'll also maybe open a Chicks with Wigs right there too. Let's put that. I know, right? It's so pretty. Oh my God, I can't wait to get the purple one.
There's a purple one?
Yes, it's the Series 2 Pearl Surprise. Oh my gosh.
I can't wait.
Make sure you have adult supervision when using sharp objects.
Not sharp enough here, huh?
I know, right? Okay, there we go. It's open. It's open. It's open. Okay, so here we go. Look what's in there.
Oh my gosh, what are all those little balls?
So these are the little pearls, and those will have like the outfits and the shoes, and maybe like, you know, some accessories. Show that off.
So cute. I love it.
Okay, so you open 3 pearls, and I'll open 3 pearls, and then we'll fill it up with water, and we'll get that fizzing. Oh my God, they're so cute, and they're like pearlized. Ew.
One,
1,
2, pick 2.
this one, and that one.
And this one. And this one's yours here.
Wait, is it in there? There we go.
Heavy one, huh?
Okay. Okay, see, look, it's so pretty.
It is.
It probably
pretty.
smells good too.
Away from the face, right?
Yes, always cut away.
Okay. These things are not easy to open, are they?
Everyone says like the packaging is just like.
They don't smell good?
It doesn't smell
Okay.
good? You don't smell it?
Maybe they need to start.
No, there's another layer.
Okay,
There's
okay. It's supposed to... Another layer.
There's another
How
layer of
many
plastic.
layers?
Like,
Okay, come on, let's see. It should smell. It looks like it should smell
it
good.
looks like it'll smell like strawberries and bananas or something.
But then kids might bite it if it
Yeah, and
smells
then
too
wanna
good,
eat it.
'cause No, it doesn't smell good. But that means I'm not going to bite it then.
Okay.
No biting.
Okay, so let's fill up the bowl. Okay, you set it on here.
Oh.
And then we're gonna put the
Uh-oh. Sorry, guys.
Okay, so we're gonna put that there. Okay, take the clam out first. We put the water in. I'm gonna fill it up. And there's like a line. Oh, here's the stickers.
Stickers.
That's them. That's Treasure and Little Treasure. Show them.
Oh, so that's who's in there?
Yeah. Okay, so wait.
Super cute.
We're gonna fill it up to the bubble line. See the little line of bubbles?
Yes.
So we're just gonna fill it up to there. Well, it didn't go all the way up, but.
What if I drop it from here? What will happen?
No!
Come on,
You have
let me do
to.
it.
No! Set it. Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God.
Sorry.
Okay.
Couldn't help myself.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that is so much fun.
Ooh.
That's so pretty.
It is. Okay. Get like a close up of
Okay.
it. Yeah, like show it. Show it. Ooh.
I think it's smooth.
Oh, there we go.
Or you could do that.
Yeah. Ooh, that's so fizzy. That's a pretty color. Is it soft?
Yeah, it's a little.
Okay.
I feel it. It's kind of slimy. But...
Okay, so while that's fizzing, let's open. Well, we have to like get a towel and clean up the giant splash. Oh my God.
Do you want to go swimming? Thank you. Howlvin's not looking. Oh, he'll kill me. Boop. It's all matchy. Whee!
Okay, so we're gonna do the Confetti Pops.
Grab another pair of scissors.
Okay, cool. These ones have zippers, so it's like a little bit easier. Okay, so we're gonna. You don't need scissors. There's a zipper.
Oh,
Okay.
are you serious?
Yes. Look. So you're gonna peel down here. You're gonna like get the little perforated edge, and then peel it down. Wait. Okay, let's peel it down. And then the first layer has a clue inside. So look for your clue. Ooh, look. Here's your clue. Here's my clue.
Here's my clue.
Mine is pumping iron. Yours is beauty sleep.
Oh.
So I got somebody from like the athletic club, and she got somebody from the sleepover club. Okay, let's do the next layer. Oh my God, here we go.
Another zipper?
Yes.
Wow.
Find that and zip that down.
Genius.
Right?
Wait, my zipper's stuck. My zipper's stuck.
And then the second layer has...
Wait. I still have a zipper problem here. I'm going to bite it. No, I got it.
Okay, there you go. Ooh. The second layer has the stickers, and the babies either spit...
I don't have stickers.
Wait, you don't have stickers? There they are. The babies either spit, cry, color change, or tinkle. And then there's a mystery surprise.
Look, read mine.
The same.
Okay.
they all of them like do different things.
Again.
Okay, here we go. The next zipper is gonna have the tattoo underneath.
Wow, this is just too much fun.
Right? It's so many like layers of packaging.
And again,
I don't know how long, but okay. So we got the second layer, and we're on the tattoo layer. So you got a kitty, and I got a perfume bottle. Oh my God, you might get Snuggle Babe. She's from the sleepover club.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so do your next layer. That's the tattoo. You got that. And now we're gonna do the surprises inside. Take off your little sticker. Yeah, take that off first, and then you do your little sticker. And then you spin it and open the little doors.
This is so much fun.
Right? There's like so many
These
different.
doors?
Yes, you open the little doors.
I want to spin first.
Pull out the little thing.
Where's the door? There are many doors.
Yeah, you
Many
like
door?
you line them up, and then there's the surprises inside, like the outfit and the shoes.
No way.
Let's do the next one. Okay, and then when you find the ribbon, you pull that out, and then you're gonna do the confetti pop. Okay, you ready?
Wait, I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Not ready. You're ready.
I'm still
You're still getting surprises.
pulling stuff out.
Okay. There's the ribbon.
Oh, ribbon. And just pull it?
No, you're gonna hold it down like this. Put the spinny part at the bottom, like that, and then you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Wait,
gosh.
where's yours?
I don't have anyone.
No, it's right here. Okay, so that's yours. That's mine. So we don't get it mixed up.
Now what?
Okay, now let's open the accessories. So you're gonna start with the bottle usually.
Okay.
Feel around.
Feel it?
You feel the bottle? You feel a bottle? Yeah, I feel a bottle too. Let's open it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look. Ooh, I know who that is, and I know who this is. Ooh, that's gold and pretty, and that's pretty in blue
so
and
cute.
pink. Oh my God. Okay, next one, let's do the shoes. The little tiny things. Let's feel something little and tiny.
I only have 2 things here.
No, you have another one.
I do?
1,
have
2.
belts
Wait,
or
here's this.
something.
Yes, here's this.
Okay.
So the shoes next.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so small.
I know they're like tiny. Oh, look, I have the same ones, but in dark pink.
Oh my gosh, how cute is that?
Wow. Well, okay, I lost it. Okay, next, let's do the outfit. So like a little like squishy little square thingy. Ooh, look.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
I know who that is. I already have her.
So
She's
cute.
so pretty. She's one of my favorite ones.
That's an outfit?
Yes. Oh, that's a sleeping mask. That's a sleeping mask with lashes.
She's naked.
Wait.
Mine is naked.
No, yours has an outfit
outfit
somewhere. Did you miss? Did you forget a surprise?
No. Did I?
Yeah, she did. It's in there. Okay. So that's in there.
I like to save the best for last.
Confetti.
Oh, I broke another one.
Oh, no, they
can
can pop. They pop off.
Just like my fingernails.
Okay, wait. So you did the outfit. Here's my accessory because you got your mask.
Okay.
Wait, that just flipped over.
Oh no, it's blue.
Yeah, the clam is blue. Ooh, okay. Let's do the outfit. That's your sleeping mask. I got an accessory. Look.
That's cute.
It's a feather for the head. Aww. Okay.
Relax.
Yes, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at the outfit. Wait, turn
How
around.
cute that is. Oh. I love it.
Okay, now here's the baby. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. Look,
Oh my gosh.
look at yours. Who's that?
Oh my gosh.
That's baby doll.
Oh.
And look, that's little show,
Oh my
baby.
gosh,
Show.
so
Oh my gosh. Okay,
cute.
let's show them on the checklist.
I love the little
Wait, I just
flags.
unboxed little baby doll. Remember the little
Yes,
sister I got?
yes,
Oh my
yes.
gosh. So that's baby doll.
Oh, that's so she's from the same.
She's from the sleepover club. As her. And then that's show baby from the
That is
glam
so
club.
cute.
Let's get them dressed. the little outfit on.
Okay, we're doing this again tomorrow. Too much fun.
Aren't they cute? They're just like, it's too much. It's like a whole experience. Like, let's put the little outfit on.
I just love this. It looks like
I want to keep that and like,
so cute.
and like make something. I want to use that for
Let's put
something.
sand inside or something. Like a necklace.
Right? Look, she has little fishnets on.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. For these out there?
They haven't made a house yet. They need to make furniture and like play sets.
We need a house for these little guys.
Oh my
They're
gosh.
so cute.
And look at her little headbands on. Here they are, guys.
Oh, this is nice. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, you have to do the little thing. Wait, can we
I don't have so much experience with this.
It's too cute.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see if I can do this.
Like, here we go, guys. Here's show. Wait, where's her shoes? The first show baby I had.
Hey,
wait, you know what?
What?
No.
What?
I was just about to say this. The first show baby I had didn't come with her pacifier. Oh, and here's yours. Okay.
Oh, there's a pacifier?
Yes,
they
look.
all have one?
No, just certain ones. Look at hers.
Oh.
The little
Do I have a
baby.
pacifier?
I don't think that one had because she has a sleeping
Okay.
mask. Look.
Oh my gosh. That
They're
is so
too
cute.
cute.
It's like, I'm sleeping.
That's too cute. Oh, I love her little rollers.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, ready? Let's put her shoe on. Let's show baby and baby doll.
Hey.
Oh, she has pretty eyes. Wow.
They're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them.
Okay, so this is almost done, guys. Wait, it is.
Oh,
Yay.
wait, before you do that, I have an idea.
Okay.
I have an idea. I have this squishy thing here.
That's the costume
Yeah,
cuties.
there you go. And I will be right back.
Oh my
I'll
gosh.
just clean up a little bit.
Okay, I'm going to clean up, and I'm probably going to open this Chicks with Wigs. Okay, guys, while she's gone, I'm going to open... If I get her standing right. We're going to open this Chicks with Wigs. We actually worked on these. These are so cute. Everybody's loving them. I love that one. I'm hoping that one's in there. There's so many to collect. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Let's get the scissor. Let's see who's inside, guys. Oh my, oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, she even has a little like heat setting sleeve on. That is too cute. Oh my god. Oh, she even has a little heart, you guys. Now this bob is actually really cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, Denisa, look.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it. I love it.
Okay, so what'd you do with that squishy?
I have a surprise for you. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my gosh. Let me see. Oh my god, the hair. You guys, this is like the first rooted squishy.
And
Oh my
now-
god. Wait, shove him in there.
Shove him there. This looks so wrong. Nom, 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 nom.
He's like eating
nom,
it.
nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom, nom,
Oh
nom,
my
nom.
gosh.
It's fun just to stick him in
It
there.
is. It's like, because then you have to like move
Like,
him
when you're-
around.
When you're upset with someone, you just kind of like...
Just shove him in like, I'm gonna have this raccoon eat you.
Look. Oh, and maybe
That's
he needs a little
cute.
bit of hair.
He needs a
We'll
little
do that
hair in
later.
there.
But look at that.
Wait, come closer. Oh, look. Oh, it has hair.
It has hair. You know how I'm impulsive, right?
Yes.
I think once he goes swimming.
Shove him in there. Shove him. Oh my god, wait. I didn't even see it fall in. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So now he's all wet. And ooh, it kind of like gave it that wet, beachy hair look.
Dude,
Like,
hey, dudes.
okay.
I want to go surfing.
Okay, let's
Okay.
open the pearl surprise so you can see who's in there. But first, maybe we should open each of the little pearls. Let's get everybody
we have
onto the...
pearls
Yes, we have
still.
pearls and outfits. So let's get
Okay,
everybody
look at
over
this
here.
mess. We should throw everything
That's
out.
usually how like the
But
videos
it's
look
fun,
at the
it's
end
fun,
though.
it's fun mess.
Everybody's like meshes all like...
I'm keeping this and I'm going to make wallpaper out of it.
Yes!
Okay. Ooh, look at all this mess.
Let's get that.
More mess.
Okay, so we're still here.
Cute. Where's our little chicken?
Right there. The wig is so cute. I love that it's like an
Her
actual
little
like
face.
head.
She has a little.
And she has a little heart
wig.
right there too.
Oh, that's too cute. That is adorable. They have a friend.
I
Oh,
love how the horse has. I love how it has like horse
yeah,
like.
I mean,
like
what sound should it be? Beep 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 beep. Go ahead. Let's hear it. What is it? You do it. Go ahead.
It's like
do it. Ready? Go.
Cluck, 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 cluck. Like what? Is that what chickens do? I'm like, why does the chicken have like horse?
Any idea?
Like horse hooves? Like.
He said, boop, 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 beep, beep, beep.
Oh my god. Okay, so I got 2 pearls. I mean, I got 2 teal ones and 1 white one. You got 2 pearl ones and 1 teal one.
And what do
I don't know. Yeah, you squeeze it and it pops open, but I don't know what's. I haven't seen.
Shoes.
There's little shoes.
Oh.
Okay. Ooh, look at that dress. That's just
panties.
that's like show babies.
Oh, it's like a skirt.
Look, it's like show babies, but it's like teal.
Oh my gosh.
That's too
So it's
cute.
an extra outfit.
Yes, I think they come with 2 outfits.
That is just too cute.
Okay, so let's do the
I'm
next
still shooting.
Let's do the next one.
It's fun too.
Oh, I got more little white shoes. You got the top to your outfit. Look, little white shoes. I love the little ball on top. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little like it's 2 little clam shells. Like seashells.
Seashells.
Seashells. Like
Seashells.
Seashells.
She sells seashells.
Seashells. Okay. And wait, where's your last one?
You just said it again.
Seashells? I can't say that right. Seashells? Seashells. Seashells. Okay, there we go. Okay, ready? Last one. Boop. Okay, so I got a bottom. I got a little like
and I got
panty.
a top to go with your.
Oh, look, that's cute. Yeah.
Like, what are the odds of that?
Look, it has little like clams on the boobies.
That is so cute.
Okay, so now let's do the clam.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, that's the babies are in there. Okay, so let's do that.
It's just too much fun.
Right, this is like constant opening.
It's like I need to go up right now and get another one.
Okay, here we go. They're kind of like wet, but it's okay.
Should I open the little one? You open the big one, or?
I feel like there's 3 things. What's this?
This feels like a boot.
Oh, that's a bottle. Okay, so there's the bottle. That's the little baby, and that's the big sister. You want to? Let me put them in there when they're finished, but it's all like gross. Okay. Okay, ready? I'll do the bottle first. Let's see how the bottle looks. Ooh, it's pop.
That's cute.
Okay, you do the baby. That's the little treasure. Oh, she's so sparkly.
Oh my gosh.
She's like tan. Oh.
I feel like I'm holding a baby bird or something. It's like I just want to hold it and it's so cute.
Oh my god. Oh, the little binky. Oh, wait, let me zoom in.
That's too
Oh.
much cuteness.
It is.
In one little bowl.
Okay, little bowl. Okay, ready? Let's do big treasure. Wait, her head's on that.
Oh, they're so cute.
She's so golden.
That's a
Oh,
beautiful skin tone.
it is.
Shimmery. It's all shimmery. That's cute.
Love it.
We have a hair color to
Ooh.
match this. And didn't we talk about actually
Rooting
rooting
them?
these?
Oh my god, you guys, imagine LOL surprises
we're
with
doing it.
hair.
That's it.
With like real hair.
As soon as you turn off this camera, I am
You're doing it?
rooting.
You're doing it?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's dress
do it.
her. Let's dress her in a little outfit. Which
You'll
one?
style
Which
it,
outfit?
right?
I'll
If I
style
root-
it.
okay.
I'll style it. Make it look all pretty. Ooh, it'll probably be all wavy and good too.
Oh, yeah,
my
let's do it.
gosh.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Okay, which outfit? She has 2 outfits.
Okay,
Which
hurry
one
up
do
and
we
dress
put
her
her
so we can go do the hair.
in? Okay. Wait, let's do this one. This one's cuter. Okay, I'll put her in this. Oh my god, treasure and little treasure. Oh my god, Denisa, you opened your first LOL surprises.
That was so much fun. I'm addicted. I am
No,
addicted.
I
am
have at
not
least 100.
kidding.
I have at least 100. Like
No, you don't.
No, already yes. Like including the pets and the babies.
Is that where you've been? Opening balls? Well,
Yes,
I'm like,
opening
where is
balls.
he?
Oh my god.
Where's Howlvin?
Just opening
And
balls
he's like
all day.
by himself in the room. Pop, surprise!
Oh my god. Okay, put the little white shoes. Oh, this is just look at this. That is just too adorable. And look at the little chick. Look at the little hair. Oh my gosh. I love that. I want more of those.
Yeah, I'm
I want
still
more of
holding
those.
chicken.
I want more of those.
It's like we're bringing 2 worlds together, but it's
Yes.
okay because they're all adorable.
Yay! Wait,
Baby.
she was like, yay! Okay, so now
Oh my gosh.
we're gonna like probably take pictures of them and root them. Yeah, they go in there. There's a little stand.
Okay.
See, like, feet go in there, and the little sister goes at the
Oh,
bottom.
these things are just too much.
They're too cute.
So cute. Okay, let's go get some hair done.
Yay!
Let's do this.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. We'll be back, and
Bye.
we're gonna have like rooted LOLs too. Check that out. Bye.